Yeah, I'm going to try and gas weld this aluminium brake plate that where the cable goes here is snapped off. So I'm going to build that up with weld and then grind it all down and drill it out. Because I don't have a TIG welder, I've only got oxyacetylene. Just preheat that. It's quite hard to film, but you got it. It's like welding cast iron. You got to keep agitating the puddle, stir up all the crap, and because the weld puddle has scum floating on the surface, and you got to push the rod through that. We'll build it up a bit higher and then grind it back. And then I grind it down slowly. And I've got to drill a hole and then shape it finally with the grinder and a file. So that's all welded up now and ground down. It's good as new.